Hello everyone, welcome back to Joyful Learning 365 YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about how we can create the copy of the model driven app. So basically this requirement usually will get like for example, if you want to create some developer want to work on copy on this and you want to create the same model driven app for other business unit. So at that point of time, if building it from the scratch, it is like we have a one XRM toolbox plugin called as a model driven app copy mover. So using this one, we can copy easily we can easily copy our model driven app application. So let's see. So for this, you need to install in your laptop XRM Toolbox, and from there, XRM Toolbox, you should connect it to that environment, whatever in which environment you want to install. For example, I want to in Joyful Learning 365 company, I have a different types of environments like a dev environment, test environment, and the production environment. So in the dev environment, I want to create a copy. So here I have connected to the dev environment, as you can see on the screen. Now I'm going to the tools. From here, let me see here. So there is a open tool library, is there, right? Click on this open tool library, and here click here to apply this one. And here now in search you can simply paste it as a model driven apps copier. Okay, so simply, so usually the users will type like a model dash driven, right? So the search has been written in a such a way backend. So if you are skipping this dash, right, so then you are not able to find. So try to type as it is, model dash driven apps copier, then you are able to see. So as you can see on the screen, so like this. So you need to click on this one, and simply you can click on this one, and there you are able to see the right hand side, click on the install button. Okay, simply click on the install button. So as you can see on the screen, the author has been developed, this plugin is Yasser Safir. So click on this to install. So simply I'm clicking on this. Once you have clicked, then you are able to see the I accept button. Okay, I accept button. So now you can see the model driven apps has been successfully installed. So now let me close this one and search it here in the tools. So search it here, so you can see here. Now you are able to see this one. So simply this one, I'll double click on this one, so you are able to see this one. Now I am able to see this my screen, so it's loading. Basically it will load, as you can see on the screen. See, whatever the model driven app applications are there. So in this I have a sales hub and sales hub copy, and like a power pages management, and these all model driven app application I am able to see here. For example, I want to create a copy of this copy of this sales hub one. Okay, one more copy. So for example, I want to create it for a different team. Okay, different business unit. I want to do this one. So simply what I need to do here. See, there is a, you need to select here. See, once you selected this one, right? So which one you want to create, you need to select from the left hand side. So right hand side, you are able to see this one screen like as a app to create. So there are three screens are very important here. So you can see here, this one you need to select, and right hand side upside you can see this one is the creating, and downside you are able to see the result, whatever the happening action we are doing. On basis of that, you are able to see the result here. So here what we need to do now, so here target solution for the app. So as you know that it's like a suggested that whatever we are doing, it's mandatory to, if we store it in a particular solution, right? So it will be going as a in that particular solution, it will get stored. So here you can select any solution, whatever there. So there are like a multiple solutions are there from this. Let me select for example, test in test solution. I want to deploy this, I want to store this my application. Okay, model driven application. So I have selected here target. So you can create any new solution from the power pages and refresh. Simply there is a new button, the refresh button is there, right? Once you click on that refresh, then you are able to see the all the solutions. So once I have clicked there, so then you are able to see here target solution from this. So whatever, like here you can select this one. Okay, now I have selected this one, app name. Now after that, I have a flexibility to give the app name also, sales hub for Dubai. Okay, Dubai sales hub for Dubai. Okay, I'm giving it as a sales hub for Dubai. My model driven app name, I am giving it as a sales hub for Dubai. Okay, so as you can see on the screen here, I can give any description if you want, if I want. So simply I'm copying this one, pasting it the same. And if you want to give something URL prefix, you can give, else it's not required. So what you can do here, simply sitemap for is there, right? So the same. So here we have a flexibility to still see. As of now, the default, this one is the icon you are able to see. So for example, if you have a selected, use the default icon instead of this one, so then this one will be by defaulted app icon will be selected. So no, I want this one also as it is. Then you can uncheck this one, so as it is, whatever the icon is there, right? So it will be get applicable to this one. So here you can see now results. As of now, in results nothing is there, but here you can see there is a top side, top hand side, you are able to see three buttons. One is refresh and include unpublished app and copy. So here you need to click on the copy button. Okay, so now let me select on copy. So once I clicked on the copy button, right, then you are able to see one confirmation dialog. So are you sure you want to proceed with the app copy process? Yes, I want to do this. Okay, now I am clicking on this yes button. Okay, now I have successfully creating. So as you can see, this whatever the changes we are doing, right, in the results, you are able to see these changes. Okay, so it's getting creating. Wait for a second, few seconds until it's get created. Let's wait for a few seconds. Okay. So if you see here, its copying app is 90%, 98 completed. It's now successfully completed. So whatever the results are there, right? So app are created successfully in the test. Like in console application, how you will get the results, like that you are able to see. So now this is the how we are able to see. So now let's check it in a this let's check it in our instance whether this whatever this, right, so those are created or not created. Let's see here. So let me open this one and let me check here. Okay, so I'll go to make.powerup.com. So here, see, this is the before I am refreshing. There is a sales hub and sales hub copy is there, but you are not able to see that anything like around sales hub for Dubai. Okay, now I am refreshing this one simply. Okay, now I am refreshing this my make.powerup.com from here. So here, see, so you need to make sure. So you have here I have a multiple environment. So I am selecting here dev environment. Okay, because I created this one in a dev environment only. So here you can see now sales hub for Dubai is there. Okay, so you can simply click on the edit button, and from there you can see here basically it is in a unpublished stage. So what you want to do here, simply you need to click on the continue, and again if you want to do any changes here, you can do any changes, or else you want to directly do anything, right? So simply what you can do here, save and click on the save and publish, and again after that you can click on the play button. So here basically this one. So wait a second until this gets saved and published, right? So wait a few seconds until it gets saved and published. So now as you can see on the screen, it has been successfully saved. Now I am clicking on the play button. So once you click on the play button, right? So then you can see this one. So basically what will be the difference between that URL? Because see, the old URL, whatever the sales hub URL, that URL is also is the same and this URL is also same. The here the app ID equals to 5254B356. This app ID is there, right? So it will be, this will be different. So for example, if you see this another application, there is a sales hub application. Okay, so this is sales hub, old one. So if you see this app ID equals to 43 is this one. This app ID is a different, and what you created now this one, right? Basically this app ID will be different. So this is the one, because as you know that everything in a Dynamics 365, whatever you create, everything is holding unique GUID, global unique identifier. Okay, so this is how we can. So as you can see, now whatever the changes you want to do in this, like you can handle, you can make a use of this sales hub for mobile for Dubai. Like this, you can make changes and you can do whatever the changes. So basically the use cases of this one. So for example, you created for one company. So if you are having multiple companies and multiple business units, okay, for example, you have a multiple business units, and for example, Dubai location is using this one sales, and again there is Abu Dhabi is there. In Abu Dhabi, different sales team is there. So for them, you want to create a multiple model driven apps for Dubai and this. So the same thing again, you don't need to create from scratch. So whatever you have created it for the Dubai and Abu Dhabi, the same thing you can make it as a Dubai also. So like this, you can make by using this the wonderful tool which has been developed by the Yasser. So it will be like a very useful. Thank you very much for watching Joyful Learning 365 YouTube channel. That's it for the today. Hope we'll meet in next upcoming videos.